Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola device to Realme Narzo 50i Prime. Begin by opening Play Store on both smartphones and installing free app called Send Anywhere. Remember that it has to be from this developer. When it's ready, just open it. Now, in order to continue, you need to tap on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on Realme. Finally, you can select receive on Realme smartphone and send on Motorola one. Then choose all of those dots and tap on send. This way you will select all of your files that you wish to send and send them later on. It will take some time though to transfer all of mine, so I will go into photos, click on only one, choose send and tap on got it. Now on Realme, tap on no thanks and close this window. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code using this scanning icon on Realme, selecting while using the app or only this time, and pointing our camera at this code, or we can input this key over here instead and tap on receive button. Either way, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!